Welcome back into this video, guys. In this video we will be talking about how to set up your media property. Let's say after you have created your blog, how you can activate your blog as a property for you to be able to promote your brands or your affiliate link. So here, sometimes you're just going to use this as like a branding, you're using it, but actually that is not actually from where you're getting your leads, because we're using Facebook, we're using Instagram, we're using Discord, and so on and so forth. But we're just using these as a decoration, like a form of open traffic, that where we can, but that actually doesn't mean that we're not going to be posting about this website, because before this website can pay you, they will go and check your media property, whether you have posted anything about them or not. So you should be wary of that. To do that, to put in your link to activate your blog, you go to this place in three dots here, you go to click on this place, you go to settings, and once you come to your settings, what is the next thing that you're going to be doing? You will be coming to this place called media property. So here we have here media properties. You click on these media properties here, and as you can see, we actually have, I have like 4 media properties. I have my influencer, my website, then I have Facebook, then I have my YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. So I actually, in this case, if you have let's say you have your website that you've built, and for those of you who don't have a website, I'm going to actually I've created a previous video, but I will also create a WordPress free domain that you can use to start. Once you get more money from your promotions, you can use some of this money to buy your own domain, so you can have a standard website where you can be posting blogs, SEO blog posts that is going to generate organic traffic for you. So here you click on this place, create here. So if it is a website, you click on website. If it is, let's click on social, for example, it's going to bring us to all these. So as I've clicked on social here, we can see all the links that we have. So you can click on any of that and you go on, and it will automatically activate this together, or you can do it manually. Let's say, for example, I click on Facebook. Once I click on Facebook, it is going to load and redirect me to something else. So I have to put in my password and my number or my email, and then I will log in. Automatically I will be connected. And apart from this, apart from Facebook, there are other ways also. You can decide to, if you have an email list, let's say podcast, you have podcast, you can put it there. If you have a mobile app here, you can also link this mobile app. For example, it's going to load. You have to put in here your app name, and then also the type, and then the URL in the App Store or anywhere, whether in the App Store or in the Play Store, you can use that. And then your description, and then you choose your file, screenshot, all that thing. So let's go back again. But if you don't have, let's say for example, I know most of you here, you can also podcast if you have a podcast website, and or email or newsletter. So if you have a lot of email subscribers that you have in, so you can use this as your email list. You can use it to also be able to promote these brands. Remember, if you don't have a place how you can click on social, your TikTok account, or whatever that you have in your LinkedIn, your Pinterest, or even your Twitter, your YouTube channel, your Instagram. You can link all of these as your media property. As you're linking them, make sure that you have at least 20 likes. In some of these, like Facebook, you must have 20 like, 40 like minimum before you can be able to use it. Instagram, the same thing. LinkedIn, and maybe like minimum of 50 connections, minimum of 50 followers, and so on and so forth. So that's how you can activate your website, your social media, or any other related social media media property that you can use to be promoting your brands. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.